All right, so let us have a look at when you've had a stroke, there's an issue with the electricity going from the brain to the hand and the neural connections. So I'm going to use this little pendulum just to see what energy flow you have before treatment, and then we can check after treatment. So I'm just going to pop both arms. Let's put that arm on the table as well so that you are even. Thank you. Okay. Not bad, but you can see how it slows down. So pretty good. I was expecting a block around there, but it's actually, the block is a little bit further to the wrist. Okay, so it starts to slow down. So if I just come in a little bit more specifically, it's actually there. It will go when it starts going vertically. So from this point, there's no energetic flow and neural connections flowing to the hand. Put this hand on the table. So you can see that the movement, there's a lot of movement coming in the shoulder. So there's movement. Can you bend your elbow at all? Okay, let's try put it on the table. We can get some elbow flexion, that's good. Now, okay, so we can see the pendulum is showing us that there's energetic flow here, there's energetic flow here, but from the wrist, there's not much, but there is something. So try and just move your fingers. So we have got a little bit of range at the fingers, but there's a definite block. Okay, so that's the first thing we want to do. So now I'm just going to take my pendulum, just check what's going on here. So look here at top of the brain. Do you see how the pendulum is going so slow? Okay, let's just go from the front. Don't worry, I'll show you the video. So if we go from the front, don't worry, you look straight, I'll show you the video. So there's a lot of energetic flow at the back of the head. But as we go to the front, can you see how there's not much flow? So a lot of what I will do with you initially, before we do anything, before we expect anything, is we need to give this brain a lot of the coherence. Okay, we need to expand your awareness, we need to expand your consciousness, and we need to then just get the electricity flowing in the brain as a first step. Then we start to connect the brain with the hand. That's the most important thing, is that we get that, and then we can assess afterwards and see what flow we have. Okay, so just leave it to me. I will do that. But just to show on the other side, let's put your arm over here. Let's just see if there's any blocks. Because with stroke patients, you want to work with the left and the right, and you can do hemispherical crossover. So it's really important to work both sides. So let's just check what we have here energetically. Oops. Look, we've actually got the same problem higher up. So there's an energetic block here. And that is because this whole brain, you said he had multiple infarctions. So with multiple infarctions, we've got issues on the left. Even though this arm is good, we can definitely bring coherence to that, and we can start working with a crossover left to right. That's the first thing we do before we do any rehab. Okay, so we're going to get you onto the plinth, and you're going to just let me do the work while you relax. And the reason why I want my patients on the plinth is because they go into a deep state of relaxation. So I want to just assess your vectors, and there is no pull outside from this side of the body, but on the side of the stroke, you've definitely got a pull, which we're going to correct. I have this laser shining first on this side. I'm going to shine the laser on the top of your head, working the laser from the back of the head to the front of the head, and then shining the laser on the other side. So we're just covering all lobes of the brain, just giving the body that coherence. Just keeping that laser behind your head. And then we've got the laser at the bottom of your feet, just giving your body that coherence, and then we will work in your field. So I just want to see the improvement that we've made in the energy flow from the back. Now we can see we've got from the back to the front of the head. It's much, much better. The unaffected arm, it's got really good flow, no blocks. Coming to the affected arm, still a loss of energy coming. So it was at the wrist, but now it's a little bit better. Let's just check that again. No, there's definitely, the block is now here. So a little bit of an improvement, a little bit more work to be done. And we'll see the functional use. So I just want to see the improvement that we've made in the energy flow from the back. Now we can see we've got from the back to the front of the head. It's much, much better. The unaffected arm, it's got really good flow, no blocks. Coming to the affected arm, still a loss of energy coming. No, there's definitely, the block is now here. So a little bit of an improvement, a little bit more work to be done. And we'll see the functional use. Just worked a bit more there, and now you can see that we've got that flow moving. Okay, lift your arm first. Amazing. Is that good level?
We couldn't do this.
Amazing.